Hello guys, this is Reese from Bomberito St. Peter's Volkswagen in St. Louis. Today I'm bringing you a 2025 Volkswagen Jetta Sport. This particular one is platinum gray metallic on the exterior with tightened black cloth on the interior. It features LED headlights, an LED light bar on the front that goes right up to the Volkswagen logo. A much more aggressive looking front end now. There's actually this body colored cover right here. The hood seam is right here, but this actually makes the headlights look thinner and actually more aggressive. We do have now an LED light bar that goes up to the logo here in the center. Down below we have this design here, kind of similar to the honeycomb design on the GTIs. Air intakes off to the side here with kind of a flat finish here on the air intakes there. Much more masculine looking on the front end. Black mirror caps. We still keep this sharp bow line on the side that goes into the door handles, into the tail light. We have the same wheels as we had last year for the 2024. Now we have new tail lights on the back as well. It says Jetta right here in the middle of the tail light assembly. The tail light goes from here over to the edge here. The logo does not illuminate on these. That's not coming on the Jetta, but you do have this molded spoiler into the trunk lid here. The faux exhaust tips set up down here at the base. The exhaust actually comes out underneath. These are machine black and alloy wheels. It says Sport right here on the A-pillar here, or on the door panel, I should say. That's not the A-pillar. And then the door inset here, you have leatherette right here, leatherette on the arm pad here, and here's a look at your cloth seats. These are the same seats that were in the same pattern, I should say. It was in the GLI 40th anniversary edition last year. You have gray piping right here on the edge of the seat. Manually adjusted seat in a pumping fashion here. Your seat back is adjusted here with this teardrop shaped handle here. And then underneath the right leg, right there's the loop to slide the seat forward and back. Before we climb in, here's a look at the back seats here. That pattern continues on the two outboard seats there. Fold down armrest in the middle. You do have an arm pad right here, or an armrest right here with a kickstand on it. You can actually adjust where that sits. Let's climb in. As we climb in here, here's a look at the digital instrument cluster here. Same as it was last year. Temperature gauge over here on the left, fuel gauge on the right, speedometer in the middle. You have three main views here. You hit the view button, which is right here on the steering wheel where my thumb is. There's your tachometer view, there's your blended view, and you can actually edit what's there using the left and right tabs here. So I can go over here and go from average economy to gear display, and then I can go to the right side hitting the right tab and go down to average speed, audio, and what have you right here. So I'm actually doing Android Auto right now. It is wireless, guys. Wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, even in the Jetta Sport. Wireless. This new radio, I'll get back to that in a second. Over here on the turn signal stalk, there's a button right here to bring up lane assist. Also, your adaptive cruise control. There's the button to turn it on and off right there. This car will have travel assist as well. Regular cruise control. You do also have blind spot, rear traffic alert, front assist, and then you can actually close out there. The automatic headlights are right here. I turned them on so you could see the light bar and the tail lights because they are actually off right now. It's still bright enough where they're staying off. So they're automatic headlights as well. A telescoping steering wheel. I can pull out, push in, raise it, lower it, set it where I need it, and lock it back. I have a regular keyed ignition, no push button on this one. And then you have capacitive touch for the climate control here. Same as what was in the Tiguan. It's now in the Tiguan, the Taos, and well, the 2025 Tiguan, we don't know. It's not going to have this set up, but that's a ways away still. But the 2025 Taos will also have this capacitive touch set up here. So your fan speed is right here in the middle. Your temperature, you just swipe from blue to red to go cooler, from red to blue to go warmer, or you can just tap. Your menu brings up on the screen here. Touch screen setups here. So you can turn things on and off up here. Your vent setup right there. I'm going to go back to home and then go back to my app connect here. Well, actually, the menu here, I should say, and Android Auto. So we were back here. This is a new radio, so it's a new kind of setup here. So home brings you here. It's connected to my phone there. It shows that right there. There's presets in here as well, and then you also have favorites that you can add here, and then it's showing what's currently playing. There's a drop down menu here where I can change what's set up here for my favorites. and it says unknown driver, and it shows this music is muted because I don't want a copyright strike. There's my battery strength, signal strength, and a Bluetooth connection. Outside temperature there. You do still keep the backlit shifter here. It's lit up with the P button right now, so I'm going to put this in reverse so you can see the backup camera. Here's your backup camera here. Now what you notice is the screen is now set up here. It comes up out of the dash a little bit, but it's not stuck in there. It's actually built in right here. There's stuff back here. You kind of see over the top here, so it's kind of built in. It doesn't just look like it was just stuck up there. You get one knob here that controls your volume there. Tuning and everything else is going to be done with buttons or just the screen itself here. Now, my backup camera just has a static camera here. It doesn't show trajectory steering. There's the red, and then the green, it shows straight back. This animation over here, don't get excited and think you have a 360 camera. That's just an animation there for the camera. Now I'm going to put it back in park here. That goes away after about 30 seconds. You can see the new tail light set up here. It's kind of a fisheye look. It's curved here, but that's your tail lights. Now, App Connect again does Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. You've got car set up here, so you can tab through these things here. And I'm kind of learning on the fly here. And then App Connect brings you back to here. I can also go to where I have my home screen for my phone showing up here. Go Chiefs, or I can go back here to the split screen. Very nice setup here. Now, linear vent design here. So these lines go straight across into the vent over here on this side. Two vents down below the radio right here as before. They haven't changed. Radio still angled towards the driver. Piano black finish here, and here's the vent on the left side. This phone tray right here is just for storage. You can't wirelessly charge your phone here. You'll have to go up to the SE now to get wireless charging. Two USB-C ports right there that are also backlit so you can see them at night. Your parking brake button stays the same. Auto start, stop, shut off right there. You do also have an eco button right here. And these buttons here, there's nothing for these. It's just spatially, they did it to even out this side over here. Bottle and cup storage, the stadium seat style cup holder right here, where this one's taller than this one here, so the lids aren't battling for supremacy. Coin and bottle storage there. Manually adjusted seat right here for passenger. There are no handles on the side to raise or lower this seat, but there is one back here to do the seat back adjust. Bottle and cup storage stays the same, and a door panel there. And then there's your manuals right there in the glove box there. This one does have an auto dimming home link mirror with 3-door garage door memory and a digital compass over there. So you have that right there. That's an option, an add-on option here. A vanity mirror. There are no vanity lights in the Sport. You have to go up to the SE to get those, and they remain incandescent. Black headliner for this one. There's two dome lights back there as well. They're also incandescent. And then you also have buttons up here for dome light and a map light here. Let's take a look at the back seat. Oh, and trunk release is here. The fuel filler door is back to just push to eject. The Jetta seems to waffle back and forth with that. Some had it, some didn't. This one comes in at 25 4/16. Extras on this one are going to be $405 for the auto dimming home link mirror, $296 for monster mats and heavy duty trunk liner, $215 for 3rd year prepaid maintenance, $1225 for destination, brings you to 25 4/16. As we open up the back door here, here's a look at those seats there. That seat set up from the 40th anniversary edition remains back here in the back seats. The middle seat does not have that. And then in the door panel here is your hard touch back here, and then you have leatherette on the door panel, bottle or cup storage in the door panel right there. As we climb in here, I have plenty of room back here. I'm wearing my Rock and Roll Hall of Fame socks today. You can't really see them. I got them in the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame when I went to Ohio. We went to Cedar Point. No pockets here, but you do have a pocket on this side here. No vents here. That hasn't changed. The vents come out on the floor on either side right here. Here's a look up at the front there. Listen to that solid door close. Very nice setup here. This is a Jetta, guys. This is not a base model, but close. You get a lot of stuff here. Wireless Android Auto. Capacitive touch for your climate control there. Heated seats. You have heated seats for both driver and passenger. And a digital cockpit up there. And an auto dimming home link mirror in this one. Car seat hookups are right here. And also right here. Here's that fold down armrest in the middle. It's squishy yet firm, made out of cloth here. Now this car does get 40 mpgs. 40 mpgs on the highway. Very nice. Very fuel efficient car. There's a look at your wheels right there. And then right here between the T's, or the middle T right here, the first T I should say, Lift up on that guy right there. There's your rubber mat kit, monster mats, or the monster mats right here. Then you also have cargo blocks here, cargo protection system right here. Underneath the floor, there's a spare. The Jetta S will not have a spare tire, but the Jetta Sport does. There's your jack apparatus as well. There's a handhold on either side to close the trunk, and there's also buttons down here to fold the seats down. You just pull on these guys here, seat pull on both sides, and your seats will fold flat in the back seat. This car will come with a 4-year, 50,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty on it from Volkswagen. It's 4 years, 50,000 miles, and include 3 years of included maintenance. Also, if you buy from me in Bommarito, St. Peters, we're going to give you an additional 3 years of free maintenance, making this a total of 6. That's a local deal only. You'll have to redeem those at my dealership here in town. Also, if you buy from me in Bommarito, St. Peters, we're going to give you a 10-year, 200,000-mile nationwide engine and powertrain warranty free of charge. So if you're interested in this car or another one like it, give me a call. 636-290-4257, 636-290-4257. I'm on TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram at Reese Sells Cars. Thanks a lot, guys. Stay safe, stay healthy, have a great day.